Co-win metal spinning machines. What is metal spinning? A precision manufacturing process that uses rotational forces to form metal sheets, tubes, into seamless, axisymmetric components with tolerances of plus or minus 0.01 millimeters and 70% less material waste. Key benefits: 20–30% stronger than cast, machined components. Suitable for aluminum, stainless steel, titanium, and composites. Industries served: automotive, lightweight wheels, drive shafts, aerospace, fuel tanks, turbine components, energy, pressure vessels, heat exchangers, consumer, cookware, lighting, containers, electronics, radiators, battery housings. Co-win machinery, leaders in metal spinning, 10+ years of expertise, 100+ global customers. Innovative solutions, one-click technology, 8 parts per cycle, AI-driven efficiency optimization, customizable CNC machines, 50mm 5mm diameter, services, multi-language support, 24/7 maintenance, turnkey solutions. Why choose us? ISO and CE certified quality, sustainable dry spinning options, custom automation for prototyping to mass production, global reach, manufacturing facility in China, exporting to all over the world. Vision: to provide customers with smart and sustainable metal spinning solutions.